Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Monday, so I'm going to do a mandala, switching it up a bit. You can see this is going to be a card, and I've got a mandala snowflake. So I'll just show you real quick how I created this card, just in case you want to make one similar. So first I pulled out a square. Let's move that down a bit. I unlocked it. And I made this 10 1/4 inches in width and 7 inches in height. So we're matching that. I grabbed a score line, made that 7 inches. Get that on top of the main part of the card. Align center and attach. Then let's change the color of that because that's really dark. They'll do the same color as above. Then I grabbed another square. This will be for the front insert. This one I'm going to make 4.87 width and then height 6.75. That sits nicely in front. I'm going to make that darker gray. And then I just went into images and I searched mandala snowflake. You can see only 2 pop up. And the second one was just a little too intricate big. So we'll use the first one. And it fits in there quite nicely. I haven't changed the size or anything. I like how that looks, so I'm going to get this cut out and we'll put it together. Here is our lovely mandala snowflake cut out. So 4 colors, I forgot to mention that when we were in design space. This is a simple one to get together. I was at the end life of my blade, so I got a little bit of tearing on the back side, but it's going to be hidden, so I am not too worried. So this one I'm going to do in glue, but I am going to use foam tape to attach it to the card to get that 3-dimensional look. If I used foam tape on these pieces, it would be too thick probably to get into the envelope. So keep that in mind. You could maybe do between these layers some foam tape, but I'm not going to take that chance. So let's get this all glued up. And this would be tricky to do with foam tape, but if you're up for the challenge, I say go for it. I'm just doing my regular messy, get the glue on everywhere. I need to invest in a fine tip glue dispenser. Okay, so then I don't get this mess there and the mess on the front of my cardstock. It does dry clear, so there's at least that. So I got to stand up to make sure I get this on as evenly as possible. Wipe off the excess glue. Make sure each individual flake is down. So I'm going to let this one dry, then we'll add the next 2 layers and then make the card. So not even thinking properly, I can do these 2 layers together while the bottom 2 layers are drying. So let's do that. It is Monday. I'm still drinking my coffee, but the idea for this mandala just popped into my head, so I was like, well, I got to do it. Okay, did that one quite a bit cleaner. So this one line up the center little diamondy looking guys. I was first going on the outside, not paying attention. I gave them about 10 minutes or so to dry. So now we'll finish attaching the mandala, then we'll build the card. There. So this is a new mat that I'm using. It's a silicone mat. And it is, I'm not sure if I like it or not. I just got it off of Amazon. Just wanted something that wasn't as dark. And it's a little more reflective. So I'm not sure if I like that. Okay, let me wipe up my glue mess here. So I like the silicone because you can just wipe your glue right up. You don't have to worry about anything sticking to it. Got a little bit of glue that got to the bottom. That's okay. Okay. So I just chose white for the main part of the card. For my score line. Jeez, I can't even see it. There it is. Oh, it's because I got it the wrong way. There's my front insert. I picked up some Christmas paper, the pack from Michael's, just because I knew I was going to be making a lot of Christmas cards. So I wanted different patterns to choose from. And I know you can get the packs of the papers from lots of different areas. Now we'll add the back that I'm doing with foam tape. Got a new roll here. And foam tape you can buy from so many areas. The dollar store, Walmart, craft stores. So don't worry about that. And I find they all work pretty much the same. I'm not noticing a big difference between them. These pieces are a little big. That's okay. Now the question is, do I want to put any small pieces right there? Yeah, I probably should. That's going to be too thick, I think. I should pull out my smaller squares. I'll get the rest of these cut out and we'll put it together. So I got the rest of the tabs on the back. I've already removed the paper. Now let's get this lined up. Zoom you in there. So what do you think? I think this is beautiful. You could do so many different colors in the blue family. So mine's a bit more teal, kind of has that little bit of green to it. And then it is a softer blue for the paper. Obviously for the inside right now, I have this blank, but you could do additional different colored inserts on the front. You could use if you have the foil pen, write the one message on there, then sign the other side. Lots of different options. So wasn't too hard to put together, as long as you've got a bit of patience to put the mandalas together, because they do take a bit of patience and a bit of extra time, but I think it's beautiful. So this card will definitely be going to someone. Don't know who yet. I got a lot more Christmas cards to make, so you'll see lots more videos. But for now, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.